Hi, this is Natasha from Forgotten Way Farms, and today I want to show you guys how to make a Nutella hot chocolate. So you're going to need a saucepan and some milk, vanilla, and some Nutella. So you're going to pour your 1 cup of milk into your saucepan. So now you're going to turn it on to a medium heat. So now that your milk is steaming, you're going to add your Nutella into it. So you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So now that our hot chocolate is done, we're going to pour it into our cups. We have these small little cups. So now you're going to pour your hot chocolate into your mugs. So Nutella Hot Chocolate just tastes absolutely amazing, and it's just a great holiday drink. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, there are more mugs coming your way.
I'm gonna stem my shirt.